Do it.
Awesome, John. Could you please introduce yourself? What's your name? Where are you from?
Well, my name is John Chang. I am originally from Cali, moved here to Seattle when I was around two or three, but I am from Seattle. I am 26 years old right now.
Well, John. So before joining Clean, before you joined this program, what did you have set up with your cleaning business? Like, what did you have going on?
I had absolutely no experience at all with clinics. I had no business at all, nothing, no LLC, no website, no Google business profile, nothing.
Why literally nothing? So you just working your day job, no business
Yep.
kid.
Straight from scratch. A little bit of story time for myself. I am a sushi chef here in Seattle. I've been doing sushi for about 8 to 9 years. Um, but I'm realizing that every single day I am clocking in and putting my time for money. And I noticed that if I was to, get into a car accident today, I would not be able to pay my bills tomorrow. And so I am realizing that I need to create something for myself. And that is the reason why I am pursuing this entrepreneurship and having this pursuit of creating my own cleaning business.
Right? That's so important. You bring up a good fact. Like, if something were to happen to you, like, what would you do for money? That's like 99% of America is stuck right there. Well, John, that's kind of what I asked you. What specific wins, results, what have you accomplished since joining us, brother?
I would say a couple months ago, I remember just hitting my first call, getting my first clean, right? It was a crazy feeling. Now I'm at a point where I'm getting 10 to 15 cleans in the books. I've hit a revenue of 7K. I have four cleaners. I also have a virtual assistant that works under me. So it makes me feel very much so that this is very solidified and it's a real business, right? I'm seeing the vision. Before, when it first started, it was tough. I'll be real, right? But like I said, if you do what is hard in life, life will be easy. But if you do what is easy in life, life will be hard. And that hit me like a truck. And so I grinded for months, and I'm at that point where it's rolling, it's snowballing, and I'm learning a lot.
Oh, and from absolutely nothing, like you had nothing whatsoever, no business experience, you got to 7K now.
7K.
10, 15, 20. So would you agree with the statement that like is your first 10K, like from 0 to 10, if it's taught, like and that's the hardest part. But then obviously now that compared to where you are now to where you were before, you feel way more equipped to scale even faster because now you know all of it. Is that true?
Correct. Very much so. I would say everything before, when I first started, the first endeavors of hiring my first cleaner, of getting on that first sales call, doing outreaches, anything like that, I was shaking on the phone, right, doing interviews. But now it feels like second nature. And so I do know that I have the skill sets, they're compounding, and I know I can level up even faster with this program for sure.
What's been your favorite part of the program so far?
I would say learning for sure. I'm always learning different skill sets that I definitely wouldn't have learned in the restaurant industry, right? There are some things that translate, but sales, right? Relationship with cleaners, marketing, and also the biggest thing for me is what really helped me a lot is this community. It's people that think just like you and also on the same grind. And it makes you feel very much so involved in knowing that you're you're in the same lane as everyone, in the same game, right? And so the community is the biggest takeaway for me, I would say.
Right, there's that age-old saying: you hang around by millionaires, you become millionaire number six. You hang
Right.
around by losers, you become loser number six. Would you say that this community, this environment, being around people who are on the fast track to success, would you say that that's helped you kind of change your mindset even?
For sure. It It motivates me. If you know Wolf of Wall Street, it's that community. So I have to agree, very much so.
Cool. And I guess, yeah, to end off, if someone's on the fence about joining Clean, if they're kind of like, I don't know, what would you tell?
I would say if you have nothing to lose, if you're young and hungry, or if you are just clocking in every single day and you know it's not meant for you, you know you're just going to die at 60 and retire or whatever, do something about it, right? Like wake up every day excited. And that's what I'm feeling every day. I'm feeling excited and motivated to grow my business. And so if you're on the fence, I would say if not now, then when, right? So I would say just do it. Just do it.
It's kind of like, basically, like before joining the program, you felt you're almost going through the motions, sleepwalking through life, being a normal Joe. But now you wake up excited. You feel your purpose. You're building something for yourself. Would you say that's accurate?
Very much so. Yeah. I don't know who could relate to this, right? But for the past couple of years, I've been partying, drinking, raving, things like that, right? As a 26-year-old, first gen American Korean in America. And it filled that void for a bit, right? But then at the end of the night, I woke up and I was like, okay, what am I doing with my life? 3 years passed and I was in the same spot as I am now. And so that really got me going and thinking. I was like, I got to change. I got to do something about it. So joining this program really has changed my life. It really has.
Good to hear that. Now you're on your way to 15, 20, 30K. You are definitely someone with high aspirations. That's how I just heard. He said that's accurate.
Very much so. Of course.
Well, man, John, thank you for your time. And Godspeed, brother.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Daniel. Appreciate you.
Awesome.